guys, it's me Haley, and today I'm going to be making my first ever making slime video on this channel. So yesterday what I did was I showed you all of my slimes that I made, and yesterday I did make a fluffy slime off camera, so I'll show that at the end of the video. Stay tuned to watch that. And I'm going to be making another fluffy slime with you guys, just a different kind of fluffy slime. Not like the one I made yesterday though. So right now I have glue, and if you see the little sprinkles or whatever, you think, what is that? Well, it's actually this sidewalk chalk that I'm using as my coloring. I use purple and yellow, and I'm gonna mix this in. This will kind of make it look like there's like sprinkles or something in the slime. So it'll look really cool. So it looks like there's a party going on in there with purple and yellow. Probably gonna add some red and blue. It looks pink to you guys, but it's actually red. So I'm gonna use a different, okay. So use a different one. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna put a little bit in here. Okay, I think that's enough of the red. Get some blue in here now. Okay, so I added my blue and red. I should have done a lot of blue. And now I'm gonna mix the slime. This might make the slime blue, but you can definitely tell there are colors in here. You can definitely tell there's purple and red and blue and yellow. So this is what my slime looks like. It's kind of purplish blue. Let's continue. So now we're going to take our shaving cream and put it in. This is a full bottle, so I don't know why it's doing that. There we go. It's the way I'm holding the bottle. Okay, now I'm going to mix. Might have added too much. I'm going to use a little bit more glue to make it more slimy, that's all. Okay. Now I'm going to add in the contact solution, or saline solution, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna stand up. My knees hurt. So it's still really sticky. It doesn't even work. Yeah? Yeah? Up here?
Can you come in the car with me?
Why? Why? I gotta get my phone. I left my camera. Oh god, I forgot you guys. I left my camera going. Okay, we're gonna come back to the slime because we have to run to Lena's office. But I'll be back to make the slime. So, I'll be right back with you guys. So we are currently leaving now. And I'm getting in the car. It's supposed to start raining here a little bit, but I don't, yeah. It's more dark over there. I don't know, but it's actually not supposed to be that bad outside. It's fine. Maybe it's a little thunder and lightning, but I got shaving cream and stuff all over my phone. Ugh. Okay, there we go. So we're fixing to leave, and I'll obviously have to come back to make the slime. So it'll be sitting out while I'm gone. Oh boy. In the spare time, I'm gonna go in and try to get some of it. Okay, so I grabbed my slime that I made yesterday, so I could show you guys now instead of waiting. So if you, okay, so this slime is like a colorful slime. It's purple slime with rainbow sprinkles in it. So yeah, so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna put this right here for a second. Lower. My mom's driving or whatever I'm doing. Okay, so here I am.
Go down to his house and ask Brian.
I told him that I needed to leave.
Here's
He
my
could
slime.
come with us, and he said send Jackson home.
Oh, just call him and tell him.
You ask him. You call him and ask him.
No,
Hey, I'm recording a video here.
You know.
You call him and ask him.
No one cares, Haley.
Y'all are fighting and I'm recording a video.
How are you recording a video? Are you gonna call him? Yeah.
So this is my son.
Oh my God, she brought my shoes. Told you I didn't need my shoes.
Just in case.
So we are fixing to leave, and I'm gonna make my slime, basically. So I was trying to make slime upstairs, Mom, and then you interrupted me, but I'm fine with it. I mean,
I'm really sorry.
it has to sit out anyway.
Important.
It has to stay in just a minute. It has to stay out just a minute. I was just getting into making it. It was fine. Like I literally just started like 10 minutes ago, because I started my video 9 minutes, well, almost 9 minutes ago. So my slimes started making it 9 minutes ago.
Hey, Riley's wanting to know if Jackson can go with us, or if I need to run to Julie's office. I gotta run to Julie's office and print out a form, fill it out, and fax it. I will only be
I'll be
gone
right
like
back with you guys.
20-30 minutes.
Okay, so I'm going to my brother's friend's house, and it's raining. It's raining. It's raining, so I'm literally like running up here. Ah, my camera's gonna get wet. Oh no, my phone's getting wet. My phone's getting wet. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go to the carport. I brought my slime with me. That just hit me in the face. It's like, this just totally hit me in the face. What is that? Slime. Rainbow slime.
There's not what I'm gonna get.
So I'll be right back when we get inside. Okay, so right now I have like 5 minutes left to film before my time can go out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to end the video here, and I will make another video making my slime right after this post, or while this is posting, so it'll post like right after. But see you guys in my next slime video. Where's Jackson?
Can't see me.
Bye.